Welcome to the personal property tour for 79 Whyterose Terrace in Methil. This is a spacious 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. You've got extensive garden, you've got beautiful sea views, you've got some lovely unique features, you've got log burner as well. It's a really spacious family home. Cannot wait to take you on the tour. I'm just going to flip the camera and let's go. This is the property here. So it's a really nice property. Lovely and spacious. It's got great views from here, but we're going to cover that off at the end. So we're going to take you on the tour of the inside of the property just now. So as soon as we come in here, you're straight into the entrance vestibule, so good space for offloading coats, boots, etc. if you've been down the beaches. Then you come into the hallway. Isn't that lovely? I love this feature, and your cornicing as well. Really nice and spacious, very open feel, quite high ceilings as well. You've got nice ceiling roses there too. And we're going to start upstairs, so we can head upstairs. And on the upper level, we've got 3 bedrooms in this property, all doubles. In the mid of the stairwell, we do have a Velux window, so nice and bright. And we're going to start in bedroom number 1. It's a really nice sized double room. Big windows, aren't they? Lots of natural light coming in. Nice and spacious. You can see you've got storage area under here. You've also got your inbuilts here too, so plenty of storage. Again, you've got cornicing. Nice size double. And views over to the front. We're going to head into bedroom number 2. So again, another really good sized double room. Got storage straight ahead. Plenty of space for a double bed. Good sized room. Beautiful views. Just going to show you those. Isn't that lovely? So you can see Ely Point. You've got your Bass Rock here. Berwick Lodge just behind there. Right across to Edinburgh and the water. Isn't that nice? You can see the harbour over here as well. So peaceful. And that's bedroom number 2. And we'll head into bedroom number 3. So again, it's another good sized double. Currently utilised as a laundry area. But a good space, you've got lots of shelving here as well. But again, the views, really nice views, aren't they? So again, you can see Ely Point, and you can actually see Largo Law there as well. But great sized rooms. So it's 3 good sized doubles you've got here. And it's nice and airy with that Velux window there too. Makes a big difference, doesn't it? So we're going to head on downstairs. Again, this is lovely and open, isn't it? Feels nice and bright and spacious. I love that feature, it's so nice. And then from here, we're going to head down the hallway. So you've got areas for your coats, offload your boots, etc. Nice cupboard here. And then you've got your family bathroom. So this is a 4-piece. So you've got your inset WC, your bath, your vanity wash basin, and you've also got your freestanding shower with thermostatic controls and rainfall shower head. It's a really great sized room for a family, isn't it? That's the bathroom. So we'll head back in and we'll go into what is the dining room. So it's open plan dining into the lounge. But again, a great sized room. You've got storage just over here. As you can see, it's a really nice size. You've got cornicing again. A lovely archway as well. Really nice, makes it nice and spacious. And then you come down into the lounge area. Again, I love the way the lights are all inset here as well. And that beautiful cornicing. But again, a good sized lounge. Got this lovely big bay window. This door here as well is also in the hallway, so you could potentially shut the dining room out. But this family have chosen to do it this way. You've got an L-shaped lounge. That's a large sofa and there's still plenty of room here. You've got a nice fireplace as well. Beautiful log burner. So for such a big room, that's a fabulous addition, isn't it? Nice and cosy in the winter months. You've got this nice bay window, as I say. And look at your views. So you can see the Bass Rock just there. It's such a lovely space, isn't it? And again, if I just show you the sheer length of space that you're getting here. Lovely family room, isn't it? Some people have closed this off. You could use it as a separate room if you wished, but it works quite well when it's open up like this because you've also got your kitchen in here. So kitchen kind of overflows into the dining space. So nice kitchen, nice and crisp, plenty of space for your American style fridge freezer. You've got great room there for your range. That's a 5-ring that's in there at the moment. Again, you've got your nice window, overlooks the side, so lovely and peaceful. But nice sized galley style kitchen. But the fact that it leads into that dining area is really great, isn't it? And then you come out of your back door. Some people call it the front door, depends where you have it and what you think about it. You've got log store area here, log store area, you've got plenty of space for your bins, and you've got your entrance at the back as well, and your street parking just behind you. A good space, isn't it? So we'll head back on in and I'll take you out to see the garden. So we'll head back out into the hallway. As we come down the hallway, again you'll see this was the door that takes you into the lounge if you choose to open that up again. And when you come out here, you've got some really great space. So you've got this nice patio area out here. Lovely views, nice and quiet. And you can see here, quite a few people have extended, so there is an opportunity to do that. Obviously you need the necessary permissions, etc. But at the top of this patio area, look at the view. So you can see Largo Law's just there. But it's lovely. If I take you just around the garden, at the other end of the patio, you can see Largo Law there, the Bass Rock, right across the water, across the harbour as well. Isn't that lovely? It's fantastic views, isn't it? Then we're going to head into the lower part of the garden. So as we come down here, you'll see that there is plenty of space for a variety of entertaining spaces. So nice patio areas here. You've got this fabulous workshop here as well, which does have power in it. So again, a good juicy space. Potentially could make that a home office if you wished. Entertaining space, there's a variety of things you could do there. You've also got this greenhouse area as well. Still showing you the tomatoes, shows how mild it's been. And then if we go around here, just at the top of the decking area, again you can see Largo Law. Isn't that gorgeous? What a view. Pretty special, isn't it? It's so peaceful, cannot hear anything. You come into the decked area, it's such a great entertaining space. I'd imagine in the summer there's quite a lot of parties take place here. Great family outdoor space, isn't it? And again you see right across to Edinburgh. Fabulous views in the property there as well. So just to recap, this is a personal property tour for 79 Whyterose Terrace in Methil. This is a spacious 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. You've got extensive garden, you've got beautiful views, you've seen the space that you have inside, you've got that open plan dining lounge area, you've got the log burner, you've got all those lovely features with the cornicing and the archway, really lovely. You've got a beautiful 4-piece bathroom there as well. It's in moving condition, isn't it? If this is of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. So much to do with this location as well. So literally a short walk from here, you're at Aberhill Primary School, so great if you're a young family. You're literally a 10-minute walk, you're down to Leven. So you've got the beach, the promenade, the swimming pool, the retail parks, the leisure centre, you've got the high street, you've got the restaurants, the bars, everything that offers, especially the train station. You've got that train station, so that's taking you to Edinburgh and beyond, and also connects you to Dundee and beyond as well. You've literally got so many cycles and walking paths here too, so you've got a really good lifestyle here, very relaxed. This is a beautiful property, and as I say, if you're interested, message me here directly. Feeling quite relaxed here actually. It's a very 5 property to be. Take care, bye bye.